So folks, that's what's going on today. I'm making tostadas. That's tostadas. Okay, I bought this from a dollar store. Grated ginger came out pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the thing. You put sour cream on these and put some cheese, and that's about it. Oh yeah, and the fried beans. Oh yeah, you put like paste refried beans on them too, and some soya sauce. That's the main ingredient. Oh, ground beef. So these are the beans. You put them right there. Dirty dishes that I don't have to. Refried beans. This brand. So this is the setup right now. Go ahead, you can put some on here. And some cheese too. Spread it good.
At Domino's, next time you order 2 medium, 2-topping pizzas for $6.99, buy the right brand.
So that's how you put the hamburger on. And this is the cheese. And then we put sour cream.
That's it.
And then this is stuff.
If you don't want that.
So folks, that's how tostadas. Can you put me more sour cream on mine, please?
Call us now or visit getfedupnow.org.
Okay, good.
I don't want to.
So folks, something different. Tostadas. Okay. And you grab that and you eat it like that. Hear the sound. Mm-hmm. Wow. That's good. Okay, that's how you make tostadas. Bon appetit. You don't put anything else, right?
If you had shredded cheese.
Shredded cheese be better, but this is okay for the mozzarella. Okay, bye folks.